In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stage a website on WP Engine for WordPress in 2025. If you're planning to make significant updates or changes to your WordPress site, staging is a valuable tool that allows you to test your changes without affecting the live version of your site. This process gives you the peace of mind to make improvements knowing that your live site will remain uninterrupted and functional for your visitors. First, start by logging into your WP Engine dashboard. This is where we'll be performing all the steps necessary to create your staging environment. Once you're logged in, go to the main dashboard area by entering the URL mywwpengine.com in your browser. This URL takes you to your WP Engine dashboard, where you can manage all aspects of your hosting environment. Next, we'll move on to creating the actual staging environment. Look for the option that says Add Environment. Once you click this, you'll see a drop-down menu. From this list, select Staging. Naming your environment clearly is essential. Something like staging will work well. This makes it easier to identify in the future. Once you've named it, click on Create Environment. Now comes the waiting part. WP Engine will set up your staging area, which may take several minutes. It's essential to let this process finish before moving on to the next steps, as this creates a copy of your live site in the staging environment. WP Engine handles this automatically to ensure consistency between your live and staging environments, so that no manual work is required on your part to replicate your site's data and functionality. Once your staging site is ready, it's time to access it. In the WP Engine dashboard, you'll now see the staging environment listed. Click on the WP admin link under Staging. To log in, use your existing WordPress credentials. It's comforting to know that everything you're about to do is entirely separate from your live site. Now you can safely test out new changes, whether you're updating plugins, experimenting with different themes or layouts, or testing new features. This is the space to do it. This staging environment is a versatile playground that ensures any errors or issues won't affect your live site or interrupt your users. Remember, this process protects your primary site while allowing for creativity and critical testing. Finally, once you've completed your testing and are satisfied with the changes, you have the option to push these changes to your live site. WP Engine makes this simple with a feature called Copy Staging to Live. This option allows you to deploy your tested changes seamlessly. If everything looks good and functions correctly, you can confidently push those updates live, knowing they have been thoroughly vetted in a safe environment. And there you have it, a straightforward way to stage your WordPress website on WP Engine, empowering you to test with confidence and deploy changes effortlessly.